Well, welcome back to Weekend Today. Thanks for your company. Time to get an update from the newsroom as we fast approach 7:30. Over to you, Soph.
Thank you, Dickie. Good morning. Victorian health authorities are now dealing with the most concerning strain of coronavirus to date, the Delta mutation, which devastated India, now detected in 7 people across Melbourne, including a family of 4 who travelled to New South Wales. We have team coverage for you this morning. First to Today reporter Isabella Stashkovsky in Melbourne for us. Isa, good morning. Authorities are racing to find the source of this.
They certainly are. Sophie, good morning. We haven't seen this variant before in Victoria, and it is the same that devastated India, linked to hundreds of thousands of deaths. Yesterday, we recorded just 4 new cases, but 3 came with a twist, being of the Delta variant. 7 people so far have been infected with the Delta variant. The previous cases, as of late in Melbourne, have been of the Kappa strain. We do know that they're all linked back to this West Melbourne family. There are 4 people in that family, and of course, they did recently holiday in Jervis Bay. There are also 2 children in that family, so their primary school has been impacted. 300 close contacts at North Melbourne Primary now identified and all isolating. It's likely that one of the parents are the index case, but authorities are, of course, still working through that. We have seen the Delta strain once before in Australia. That was seen in New South Wales with the barbecue man case. As for how this will impact Melbourne's extended lockdown, of course, the big question on all Victorians' lips, well, I can tell you that health authorities this morning say it's still too early to tell. Sophie?
OK, Isa, thank you. Now to today's Bianca Bolza in Sydney. Bianca, good morning. It's a real mystery where this strain came from. Do health authorities think the family got it in New South Wales?
Good morning, Sophie. No, New South Wales Health says there's no evidence to suggest the family picked up the virus on the south coast of New South Wales. There have been 6,000 tests over the past 3 days and still no positive cases. It's boosted the government's confidence, and it's confident enough to put its hand up to host the Queen's Birthday Clash here at the SCG. It's typically an all-Victorian event, and while we have been able to get some AFL fixtures over here amid the lockdown, none are quite as big as this. It's going to be Melbourne against Collingwood, and it's connected to a motor neuron disease charity event called the Big Freeze. Hopefully Sydney footy fans can fill these stands here. Tickets will go on sale early next week.
OK, Bianca, thank you. Victorian Police will be on the lookout for lockdown rule breakers trying to escape to regional Victoria over the weekend. 450 officers will conduct random patrols, while 200 will be stationed at pop-up checkpoints near the Greater Melbourne Fringe. Automatic number plate recognition systems will also be used to help police identify fleeing Melburnians. Well, hundreds of anti-vax protesters are planning to swarm vaccination hubs across Melbourne today, with police warning they will be out in force. 4 vaccination hubs are set to be targeted, including the Royal Exhibition Building. The state's Deputy Police Commissioner has warned people will be arrested or fined for flouting the law.